So, welcome to potentially the most revolutionary course that I've ever produced. Now, in this course, we're analyzing everything again around AI content production. And I can almost guarantee you that in every single step of this transformative experience of yours, in every single lesson of this course, your mind will be blown away. Now, before we start by launching this awesome software that will enable us to produce AI content in so many different ways, right? In these first two lessons of this course, we're analyzing, first of all, what type of content you will be able to produce by the end of this course, and what are the different types of content that you can create with AI. And once we've set foundation by the end of this lesson right here, and you know exactly the different types of AI content and what AI content fits your style better, in the next lesson, which is going to be the final theoretical lesson of this course, we will be discussing about the future of an AI content creator. What does the future hold for you and me? Right? So I'm super, super excited to have you here. Let's start with the first lesson of this course, which is around what is AI content. Prepare to be amazed. Prepare to have your mind completely blown, just as I had my mind completely blown when I was understanding and studying AI content creation for all of these weeks. So we're currently witnessing a fundamental shift where AI has transitioned from a basic analytical tool, a basic language model, into a powerful generative engine capable of creating high fidelity, emotionally resonant media. AI is not ChatGPT anymore. AI is not here to just summarize emails anymore. AI can create content capable of, again, provoking emotions, right? Which is insane. AI content represents the new infrastructure for human communication, turning the raw power of machine learning into a cinematic, written, and auditory reality. Now, the digital landscape is being rewired so that a single visionary idea, and I want you to remember this concept right here, the concept of a single, simple visionary idea can be materialized across multiple formats almost instantaneously, making imagination the only true remaining bottleneck in this whole content production and content creation journey of yours. Your imagination by the end of this course and by the end of these lessons right here will be your only bottleneck, right, around this creative process. You will literally be able to produce whatever you can imagine. And I'm not only talking about a simple image or a simple video. In some months and in some years, you will be able to produce whole websites, right? Businesses with just the usage of AI. And we're getting there. So, here are just some of the things that you will learn in the next few hours that, by the way, used to take literal months and tens of thousands of dollars in investments, right, back in the day to achieve, right, the same exact results that you will achieve in some, again, minutes with AI. So the first thing that we will be analyzing in this course right here, which is awesome, is the fact that we're going to be designing AI avatars. And not only ready AI avatars, for example, like a random generated AI avatar that you can use and you can just give out a script and it can read the script. We will be digitally cloning ourselves, if this makes sense. And it's true. We will be digitally cloning ourselves, right? I'm going to show you the era of the digital twin, which looks like this. For example, you can see this dude right here. This is my avatar. Like, I have analyzed my biometric data and I have created this avatar of mine. And I can set this avatar to record podcasts, to produce content, to create ads, right? Without, of course, having it to be me. Now, I can guarantee you that in this video right here, I am talking to you and it's not my avatar, but we will be creating like our AI avatars in this course right here, right? And of course, you will be able to use avatars of others. For example, these public avatars that have been created by other people, and you will be also able to use these depending on exactly the type of content that you want to be producing. For example, let's say you want to produce a corporate type of video. You can utilize this AI avatar, or you want to use you want to create like a more, let's say, home style, relaxed type of video, you can use this avatar. Or a healthcare type of video, you can use this avatar. So again, the possibilities are literally endless. And of course, you will be also able to clone yourself, which is insane, right? So again, physical presence is no longer a prerequisite for video production, as advanced AI can now clone your likeness, your facial expressions, and your vocal signature with startling realism. And you can now deploy your digital twin to deliver scripts, host training sessions, or present literally to global audiences in dozens of languages. I forgot to mention that you will be able to literally take one piece of content and dub it into different languages without ever stepping in front of the camera. And this is an awesome segment for the next lesson of this course, in which I will be elaborating on the future of content production and the future of you and I, right, in this content space. So again, this technology eliminates the traditional friction of studio lighting, multiple takes, and expensive post-production, allowing for 24/7 video creation from a simple text prompt. The barrier to entry is extremely low here, right? And by scaling your personality through an AI avatar, you will move from being a performer tied to a camera, right, to an executive who manages an infinite fleet of digital presenters, which is also super cool, right? Now, the second thing that we will be doing in this course right here are AI generated ads, right? And here's the thing, AI generated ads, even if you're not like an ad expert or you've never run ads in the past, it's just one of these skills that if you have during these years, it's highly valuable in today's economy, right? In the modern economy of like digital creation. So just knowing how to input the correct prompts, right, and generate AI generated ads, it's just one of these skills that you want to know. And it's so easy with the software that we're going to be using, which by the way is completely free, right? It's just worth understanding. So in this like the ads generating dashboard that we're going to be creating, we will be uploading our product image here, right? We're going to be choosing our custom avatar, the AI model that we're going to be using. We're going to be giving a title on our video, a duration, and we're literally just going to be creating ads just like this. Or for example, in this product placement video, we will be inputting just a basic image of a product and a basic image of our avatar, and then we will have a ready automated video of our avatar showcasing our product, which again, back in the day, would take tens of thousands of dollars to produce, and actual people and actual studios, lights, cameras, and now everything is done automatically with our computers, right? So again, the traditional advertising agency model is being consolidated into automated dashboards that can turn a product photo and an avatar into a full-scale campaign in literal seconds. And AI models are now trained on millions of high-performing ads to write copy, so not only the creative part of the ad, but also the text that doesn't just sound human, but is mathematically engineered to drive consumer action, right? So we can now literally generate realistic user-generated content, or UGC as we call it in the content creation space, and testimonials at scale, providing the social proof brands need without the logistical nightmare of hiring dozens of creators. And again, this will be one of the most monetizable skills that you will be learning in this class right here. And again, the next cool thing that we're going to be doing is that you will be able to take this avatar of yours, right, the cloned avatar of yours, and literally generate podcasts, right, with your avatar and audio, right, literally from text. So for example, in here, you can upload like a website link, right, or a whole PDF, and you will turn this PDF into a whole podcast. This could even be like something that you're studying or you want to memorize for your exams. If you're a student, you will be able to upload this PDF here and it will be turned into a podcast that will be narrated by someone who will literally sound like a human being, right? So again, audio production is undergoing a massive, massive transformation, allowing you to turn long-form articles, books, or scripts into professional-grade podcasts, right, with a click of just a button. So modern AI voices have moved past robotic tones, for example, like Siri back in the day, to include natural pacing, breathing, and emotional inflections that make them indistinguishable from human narrators. So you can now produce multi-host shows, right, where AI personalities debate and interact, creating a rich listening experience from nothing more than a structured outline, which literally works like magic, by the way, especially if you're a student trying to memorize something. So this, you don't even have to deploy online. You can just use for yourself, right? Again, we will also be creating traditional type of videos with AI. So again, a visual content and b-roll section will be included in this course right here, and you will be able to literally produce infinite cinematic assets. These could be cartoon-like videos. This could be b-roll, right? So secondary videos, if you will, for your long form videos. You can take your target avatars and prompt them to do something on camera. So again, you will be able to create literal b-roll without having to source it online. You will be able to create the exact type of videos that you want and you have visualized for your movies, for your videos, for your short form content videos, for your long form content videos. So I'm going to also show you how to create b-roll. And again, cinematic storytelling is now accessible to everyone through text to video models, which are the type of AI models that we're going to be leveraging in this part of the course, that generate high definition B-roll and atmospheric footage on demand. And the days of hunting through generic stock footage libraries are completely over. You will stop paying if you're paying for subscriptions in stock footage libraries, because you can now describe the exact scene that you need, right? From a neon lit city to a micro product shot, and see it rendered literally instantly. So AI is creating this world of bespoke visual branding where custom illustrations, motion graphics, and animated explainers are generated to fit your specific aesthetic perfectly, right? So again, this democratizes Hollywood level production values, which just are a thing of the past, right? The barrier again to entry is super, super low. It's all about like prompting correctly and giving out the correct prompts to these AI machines, giving independent creators the power to build visually stunning documentaries and presentations that were once reserved, again, only for big budgets. Now, this is completely democratized. You do not need a huge Hollywood studio to start producing cinematic like videos. You can do this with the correct prompts. I'm going to show you in this lesson right here. Now, of course, we will also be tackling, let's say, more niche content production techniques like short form content automation and long form content automation. Of course, AI is great at producing short form content videos, right? Vertical videos, if you will, that are made to be digested for short form content engines. I'm going to show you exactly also how to create this, right? And again, we will be choosing the type of AI that we want to use to render our videos. We'll be using our aspect ratio. We will be changing our, again, resolution, the length of our video, if you want sound, if you don't want sound, the starting frame, the ending frame. So there are so many things that you can tweak and you can change, right, when you're producing video with AI, which is just something so, so cool. So short form video has become the primary currency of attention. We all know this. And AI is now the engine that allows you to dominate these platforms without spending hours on an editing suite. These new tools can ingest a single form podcast and automatically identify the most viral, for example, high retention moments to extract as standalone vertical clips. So you can also start clipping longer podcasts, for example, if you want to bulk create short form content pieces. So these systems handle the tedious work of face tracking, dynamic subtitle generation, and platform specific formatting, turning one video into literally like 30 video assets in minutes. That's the power of converting long form content to short form content through AI. And it's just one of the ways to produce short form content with artificial intelligence. So again, this becomes a content multiplier effect, which is something that I have elaborated on multiple courses you can find in this profile right here, ensuring your message stays in front of your audience across TikTok, Reels, and Shorts through an automated distribution loop that you can so easily install to your content systems. And finally, of course, like we should not neglect the fact that AI is evolving, right? We're not in the 2023 era of AI where AI was just introduced. So we will, of course, be leveraging AI to write and script, right? So again, AI has become like super potent on writing better text, better text generation, again, principles and techniques. And we will be using this for scripting and outlining our videos, and especially for the ideation process. So again, AI has evolved into a high level creative partner rather than just a production tool, of course, that helps structure complex narratives, develop scripts for maximum retention, and eliminate the fear of just staring at a blank page. So again, beyond just simple drafting, these systems act as ideation engines that can brainstorm hundreds of unique angles, hooks, and titles tailored to your specific audience's psychology. And small preface here, we're not just going to be using ChatGPT, right? It's not a basic ChatGPT course, the one that you've stumbled across right here. So again, you can use AI to build a comprehensive content architecture, from deep dive newsletters and blog posts to high impact YouTube scripts that keep viewers engaged until the very, very end of your video. And again, ideation is a huge part of this whole content production process of yours with AI, because at the end of the day, if the content is produced automatically, what is left for you to shine as a creative person? It's ideation, right? So we're gonna have a whole lesson right now on ideation and what's the future of, again, a content producer. So again, before I show you how to unlock all of these new AI production superpowers, right, there is one final piece of the puzzle that you need to understand. And again, in some minutes, I will unleash the beast and I will go through this whole AI content production process with you. You see, in 2 to 3 years, AI content will be the new norm, right? We'll have so much AI content out there. And I know that currently most of the AI content that you see out there is, let's say, meaningless. It is unintentional. It doesn't have intent. But as AI content becomes better and better, and as more people with intent, right, are grabbing the steering wheel of this AI production system that is now being available to everyone, you will see that AI content will get better and better. Everyone will have access to these tools, right? And creation will be easier than ever if it isn't already. And with such a low barrier to entry, you and I need a way to stay above the curve, right? And keep dominating the content market. Because up until this point, if you wanted to dominate the content market, it wasn't that hard. You needed to be good at talking to the camera, you needed to have some sort of content production studio, and you were already in the top, let's say 10%, due to the fact that you had a content production studio and you knew how to communicate with people through a camera. But now there's a shift here, and you need to change your ways in order to stay, again, ahead of the curve. And this is what I'm going to be revealing to you in the next lesson. In the next lesson, we will be talking about the rise of the creative strategist. And the creative strategist is the so-called evolution of the current content creator. The creative strategist is, let's say, a content creator 2.0 that, due to the fact that AI has completely removed all of the friction around the content production process, the creative strategist invests all of his time and all of his energy on ideation and intention around content. And this is exactly the whole concept of the next lesson. So, more information about what a creative strategist is and how to become one in the next lesson of this course. I'm super excited to have you here.